Hi, thanks for joining me, Matt.
That's all right.
I wanted to talk today a little bit about original equipment versus aftermarket, because there's a little bit of a myth that aftermarket is not quite to the superior standard of original equipment. And it's a myth that we're very much trying to dispel, because when we produce some manufactured products, we manufacture them to equal or superior than the original equipment specifications.
That's right.
So this is an example here where we have the original equipment product, which I wanted to have you have a little look at, versus the one that we manufactured. And we just wanted to go through a couple of the differences, which through the manufacturing process we actually look to improve upon. So you want to start with the top and fiber?
So this is a good example. It's an ignition point set. Now this was fitted to a Lucas distributor. Lucas was supplier to OEM on a lot of products, a lot of electrical products, but Lucas went out of business quite a long time ago. We've been brought up. I don't know the ins and outs of it, but I know that they're not the same as they used to be, and this will be a product that's branded as Lucas or sold as an OEM part, but over the years it's just the quality of the components have actually just deteriorated. So
there are 3 improvements on that particular item, aren't there?
So for this, the actual the main ones, right? The spring, the spring arm that actually connects the point. You can see that the curvature of this one. It's a much better sweep. This one's very straight.
We'll put some photos on this underneath so you can see it in more detail.
Then the material that's used on these pieces. This is the piece that actually is acted on by the cam of the distributor shaft. This is a Tufnell material.
That's the original material.
Yeah, that's what they would have used originally. And then also the washers, the isolating washers that isolate the electricity onto the point. So yeah.
And this is the correct layout of those washers.
Yeah, that's right.
The one that we
on the aftermarket, the Prestige Parts version. So yeah, I mean you're buying an OEM part at an OEM price, but you're getting not OEM quality necessarily. OEM quality parts, obviously, when you've got a company like Bentley or Rolls-Royce, they've got the money to fund things in a way where they can get the quality right. Whereas we're a smaller company, but because we've investing so much time personally and making sure the products are right, we're able to get these high quality components, find out what the problems are. We know our product really well, and that's why we're able to get this kind of quality.
And we're only really reproducing products where there is kind of a discrepancy with the original standards.
Yeah, I mean, for example, people fitting these and other ignition parts like the condensers, they take the car on holiday and the car was failing. They'd have to carry spare condensers, spare points in the car to fix it on the side of the road if it broke down, and it's not really good enough. It's not what they expect.
And this is definitely far more expensive to bring to market than that one. We pay more for this one than we ever used to for the original.
So we still pitch our prices lower than the OEM parts, but you're getting a better product.
Yeah. So this is just one example of what we're trying to do here. Bring to market a product that does actually meet or exceed, in this instance, the specifications of the original.
Yeah.
Thank you, Matt.
All right.